Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. One of the ways I like sweet potato is bake in the oven, and what I do, it's very simple. I washed it here, so that's good. Trim a bit the end of it, and then I will cut a little bit on one side so it can stand straight. The same thing here. That's it. And then I cut it in half. Okay. So both cut in half. And on top of this, use a little knife here to go in, well, a good ½ inch, to do at least 3 or 4. So this way, same thing the other side. Okay, that will help it to cook. Okay, on top of that, what we need is salt on each side, pepper, put a bit of pepper, rub it in it a little bit, then a bit of honey, at least 1 teaspoon or more of honey per side. And when it comes out of the oven, you can always add a little more honey if you want. And of course, some butter. And the butter also, I usually will add a little more butter by the time it comes out, because this one will tend to run down a little bit. Okay, about 400 degrees, a good 30-40 minutes. So you can see my sweet potato here are very tender. They cook a good 45 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees. So on top of this, I'm putting a little more butter. Glaze them here. And of course that goes into the hole here. And even a little bit of honey if you want. Yeah, depending. That's it. Sweet, buttery, and all that. Great sweet potato. Fantastic garnish for your turkey. Happy cooking.